Tabuk he jengkal bari thangi tango. Tabuk he ani menai sangta sitra sitra. Tabuk seng hamnai bisango norna funu kana nai tong ni blog mo. Lagi
Hari sebelum pakai masa lain sini, mereka katakan cuma langsung saja. Nomor iksai song senam nai sai mano sobrang kader kedek masal sekang trineo san no chong lai ja sobrang kader chong lai tong mati kana nang trineo jora ka hamnor mani bagina na pai flaya hambai maro trineo panda
Subanai Khoroksa Snamnai Afrokai Subrayong Kaitor Hai Hanai Saka Borok Borok Chaisung Susloke Tongmani Hamya Am Bobai Musang Rui Bono Subanai Khoroksa Snamnai Kaitor Binio Ilambak Kuthar 그 캔장마 비싱 때 승로조 또노노 하모레 고플롱 케르터
Tini bai nile panda pho koigon tajan mai chama jaga sukha doise mai ma se atta kointo mai sape ya bai norong laha koigon ta mana singka mai chana ni tini koigon ta Mana suka? Ibu sini. Angke sekolah bot ini farewell ba macam apa mana pun sini. Orang pan cap ya nanti. Tak kau itu orang pan macam apa? Yang safe. Entum kali. Kau kan tak jangan nasi kan? Saya tadi kali nahari. Nahar tahu semai mana? Ambo kapur kaisa. Ay. Kapur. Engkau cakum rabaza. Bodok. Masuk semangkuk. Nonton Pak Ji, dia tahu mana lebu.
Susah lebu tu.
Apa yang mau ya suka? Nunggu. ให้นกแก
ได้
เอาค่ะทีนี้มาให้มาตรงหัสบายนี้กันบ่ได้วะ
เบลเล่นตองพกา
รู้สึกกะบัง
ซาซิลิซาวิไปอะให้ปะเนาะเจออบล็อกใครเน้นก็ติดตองของไม่ไอบุคคลจานิงสนองใส่มาเลย
แล้วแกจะต้องทำการนิดมอยนี่กันบ่ได้วะ
ใบมอเตอร์สุนทรบัตรบุตรนิ่มเหรอคะ
ฮะ
ใบมอเตอร์สุนทรจังหวัดบุตรนิ่มเหรอ
Hindi ba? Diyan kanya kerisa ni bini rang rock. Isa na hindi hik lang sa mani. Herong ni Jere katal.
Adopted. Hello. Eh. Kahamati sanu ko ang nasa sa iba.
Radhe ya pakharol lagi narok jano babu nang bo bana to kisa phak ngai ngoborok ke ya pakharol la ya na Tama ya pak korom lah ya selang. Hambai, enggak tabok sing norok asok sidi, oro senior korupsi tonggo.
Kata sinar buka saya tanggung. Sini buka kaksan kasai tanggung. Sini orang sama nak sengsengin kanai. Ang tabuk seng sini buka. Tabok ani sompai hati ni pagala pagade om machine thamba phare sini machine kari ne sini aro nogo se thuzak to machine horba aine haise tini bai hai ide hai batainya na sini sing ako tini ne kaina ni dolog bai batainya na nara bataiya da batainya ke pas adita basade music come on nale kana basade kaina basade jai basade Hore!
Sawar sawar kede balang sawar sawar kede
Hore!
sawar sawar kede balang sawar sawar kede
Ay, negara, ako tulang napay. Sopoy hati napay.
Lagi sengkang kaganya lagi semua salahnya sudah sesuai lagi solo Sengkang yang bagai mana susah kiyani Disune asai kaita Disune asai Follow my
the head of the family or the neck of the family or I don't know whatever. Janet will be the head of the family and Sis Getsmani will be the neck of the family. Okay, we'll have just to know more about Janet. I will ask some question, very I don't know, common questions to Sister Getsmani. Would you please? Okay. As they are going to begin their journey, there are some likes, dislikes, so they will talk so many times. But after Janet left us, we really miss the word Papa, Mommy, like that, nah? Did you all know that? Some of us know, nah? Okay, we really miss that part. And then Papa, then something call came, not very emergency work, and we work in hospital, so every time it's emergency, and then so one call, he always speaks is, I don't know, I thought he will, we have no good connections inside the department, so he will just run out, huh? And then he will receive, Papa, like that, huh? And then at first, I thought it's family call, so I thought, okay, isn't it? Where is Janet? Because he is the in charge. So we will start calling, Janet, where are you? Nah? And then I will tell them, Janet is talking with his family. And later I asked, how many times your family call you, yeah? And then I found out the truth. And then now it's Papa and Mommy together in one frame. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Papa and Mommy. I witnessed it, Papa and Mommy. They are now really Papa and Mommy in one frame, everyone. So it goes like this. So me and Janet, we usually talk about the schedule things. Okay. I'll ask 2-3 questions. Then I will end up my things, then we'll move back. One thing Jenny told me is after I get married, I'll do these three things compulsory. So I want sister gets money to know what things is it. Okay, sis gets money. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. What type? What brand does Janet wants his phone? What phone brand did he wants? Did you know? No asking, no.
Google Pixel.
Google Pixel, yes, Google Pixel. That will be Janet first target, and okay, that is absolutely correct. And then he likes one brand of scooty, na? He said after this marriage, na brother Mark, I have to buy it. So, do you know what brand is it?
Yes, I know.
Yeah, can you please tell?
Vespa.
Oh my God, that is love, that is love. So they know each other very well. And I also know it very well also. Wow, that means the flow will go smoothly, na? Right, everyone, did we catch up, na? The flow will be good. So that one thing is there, like recreating the past moment, na? So did we all see that in their engagement, one photo was going very great viral. Today, in front of all the crowds and they are officially married, I want them to recreate that photo. So if we all want that photo, let's clap our hand. Who wants the photo? Yes. I think everyone wants the photo. Can we recreate that photo for the last time? Okay? Janet, are you okay? Huh? Gets money? Is it okay? Okay. So every iPhone, Samsung, Galaxy, Google Pixel, everyone get ready. We are creating one most important photo this night, and then I will wind up my time. Are you ready? Okay. Beck is hurting, but he will try. Every phone ready, they will create the best moment of their life once again tonight. Okay? Chalo. Here, please. The moment that, in the photo I see it, but I want to see it in real life, na? So that it will become a memory. Camera rolling, everyone, Google Pixel, iPhone, come on, Samsung. Yes, there is the photo. Yes. I have to take this, please. Those are jokes aside to just entertain us, and we really miss Janet after he left us. We really miss it. And after he goes, the department seems to be very quiet, and we miss him a lot. We go through tough times and happy times, and we still remember that. And after I met him in person, I was like very emotional. Huh? After so many days and so many years and so many months, he finally kept his promise and get married, and he will be going a new chapter. May Almighty Lord bless him in his new journey also. And did you know Janet can sing? Janet is very good in singing. And for the last, I will tell you what his he will tell you what his favorite song is. And then I will really close it. I want to, if I have to speak, then I can speak till midnight. I don't know, whatever. I have so many things to say, but what he says is, Brother Mang, when you come, don't speak too much, okay? So I have to keep something behind. So Janet will tell you his favorite song. Chalo, Janet, your favorite song that you always hum in the department.
I'm very bad in singing and I don't have any kind of favorite song. So
Chalo, now he will sing. I think you can explain in Kokborok first, na, so that all the people know. You will say, this is my favorite song, and then you will say the song. Is it okay? I think it's okay, yeah. Okay, I'll tell you the song, and then you can Google it in after the event. We all go home, na. What I don't know the song, but he always sing, na, and then it comes in my mind always. So the song goes like this. I don't know it's true or not, but the song goes like this. 我们请空清灵清长茶. I don't know what song is it, but he always hum that song in the department. Hey, Brother Mang, did you know this song? 我们请空清灵清长茶. I think from now on, in their kitchen, that song will be humming. I hope they really enjoy. And thank you, the anchor, and we have a great and enthusiastic anchor who is entertaining us the whole evening. And I also thank you for giving me such opportunity time. And I came with some friends. Can we have one photo and then we'll go? Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
Ê, nó thanh nhật à? Chụp hình nè.
Này. Tao nó pan được bây giờ, chúng tao nó có thằng này.
Ăn đi. Tao bố khé chừng bàn đã bay nó có thằng này so nó anh video nó. Nay tao mà bagay balay khen nó hầm bay tê je này rồi. Please anh channel nó subscribe khai đi tê like bố khai đi tê share. Bye bye, good night. Good night cho tụi nó. Hồi cả hám.